beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
You know exactly what they're going to do for a person. You know if you have to overinflate with one filler, others you have to place less, and it builds. So there's a fine line of understanding with each filler and the person's face as well.
Well, the doctor, you have to have confidence that your doctor's like an artist. He looks at your face and he's looking for symmetry, he's looking for balance, he's looking to keep you looking youthful without looking overdone. And that's when you get a good doctor, that's what you automatically get, is someone who knows how to artistically take your face and restore it to what it might have looked like 5 or 10 years ago. Yeah. And hopefully in the future we're going to definitely do a show on fillers, because there's so many alternatives with fillers. You know, there's a lot of options, and different ones are for different parts of your face, different ones. I mean, Botox has been used for headaches, it's been used to freeze nerves for sweaty palms. There's all kinds of uses for Botox.
Want to see and learn more? Well, you can watch the full episodes with Dr. Mark Berkowitz and Jackie Callan by searching Accent Your Beauty on YouTube or by going to newradiomedia.com, where you can catch our newest episodes every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages to keep up to date with our tips and ideas on how to be the more beautiful you. Links in the post above.